YouTube? It's our boy Davo comes out with another YouTube video, man. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Today I will be doing a late night in the rain POV, man. It's cold outside. I got a little jacket on. Make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button. Get this video to like 100 likes. Let's run this video up, man. I'm just give y'all a little POV in my 2023 Hellcat jailbreak. If y'all haven't seen it, man, y'all late, brody. Y'all late. Give y'all a little hands a walk around. That's yellow too if y'all can't really see it. The camera ain't really doing no justice. Pipiana secured. Got my boy Tay Nose with me. Oh, bro, he the original from the first couple videos. Where the you been at, boy? Oh, can't be cursing on the channel, man. No, but yeah, though, y'all. Tonight we just go chillax, man. We just go chill, get y'all a couple pulls. Hopefully y'all enjoy this joint. Y'all just sit back, relax, get y'all some little popcorn, whatever. Do what you got to do. You know we gotta make sure we got it at least in sport. But y'all wanna, oh, here go the police right here too, huh? Grab it. I ain't even gonna have it in my hand, bro. He overly thirsty. He was waiting on me too. I knew he was gonna do that goofy shit, bro. I'm thirsty. Oh my God, folks. That's him? Yeah. For no reason, bro. No. You gotta keep it on. Thirsty, bro. Motherfucking light up in here. Hell no. I bet when you switch lanes, as soon as you switch lanes, he gonna go right behind you on some goofy shit. This is raining like a motherfucker. He's still right behind? Yeah. Folks ain't trying to go around. He on some other shit. We just sitting in this joint quiet, shorty. We scared, y'all. I'm sorry, bro. This dude's still behind me, bro. Going to the Walmart, he finna switch lanes, shorty. He finna switch lanes. Oh, shit. Look at him with the camera, bro. Damn, why is he on that? You in the same car that I'm in, buddy. Charge him. Let me see. My cousin don't want to put it in his face, bro. You gotta get him. You gotta get him on the camera. That was a bad way to start off the POV though, man. Bro, I was gonna overly bend that corner, folks. He was gonna get on my end. Folks had the window damn rain smacking my head. Oh! Folks, he coming back! Bro, y'all finna try to hit this borderline. F dude. Yeah, shorty a lame. I'm gonna try to hit this borderline though, cause I know Hammond right here. We go hit this borderline, y'all. Cause shorty tripping. I don't know what he on with me. Which way you wanna go? Yo, man. Go hit the back road. The back roads. My fault about that, y'all. Y'all know your boy Davo. I got too much going on, man. I got a warrant out for my arrest. Now I'm diving it. No, I ain't gonna say that, man. I don't even want to put that F in her, man. But I just don't like the coppers, man. I just got pulled over the other day. They'll try anything. The other day, bro, they said that they smell weed. Like, bro, I don't smoke weed. I don't do nothing. They just be, man, you can't even argue with them sometimes. And if you do argue with them, they go ham you up. Look, you say, it's wet out. Ooh. Got the big red boots. Nah, these are the Yeezy things. We don't do no big red joints. Dang. What you finna be on tonight?
Shit.
You already ate? Oh, bro. Oh, I'm tripping. I ain't eat nothing.
We go Gavin. All the lanes. Let's go to that one.
Tap, tap. Right? Left? You want me to? Nah. Hey, with these Mickeys, this joint be low-key sticking a little bit with these Mickeys. Alright, hold it real quick. I'm gonna try to do, nah, I ain't gonna spin it. We in the neighborhood. Hey, this joint fake one to grip, bro. See? Hold up, let me see. Let's turn off traction all the way. And let's see what happened. That time it wanted to grip, bro. See?
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
There we go.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah,
That's Valencia crib. He's swinging. That's Valencia. Oh, that's Valencia crib.
You know that?
Shaq took me up.
Oh, yeah, you tweaking.
12, how to say it?
That we was up to something. 12.
Fuck 12, shorty. Damn.
Ooh, that wine, look, man. Turn the camera to me, shorty. That wine is like no other.
We don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
But what's going on over here?
Y'all wanna be nosy?
Damn, they deep as hell,
Oh,
bro.
look at that car crash, folks.
Well,
Right here. Dang! Hold up, record it. Oh, yeah, they tweaking. Shorty drunk. Hold it. Oh, holy, oh, shorty. Hold up, don't even stop, folks. He didn't. I heard this bitch. Record him. Look. I record them. Damn, for them grades. And then, I thought he was finna hit a U-turn, folks.
damn, somebody.
Oh, he did hit that U-turn.
He hit a U-turn?
Yeah. Why is they on that? Damn. They tripping with me, bro.
He behind us?
I'm finna hit this highway, folks. A car behind us.
For real?
Yeah. Y'all, hey, I'm sorry. This POV, man, I'm sorry. We just gonna get y'all the cruise, man. We ain't even finna act up, bro. Cause Brody is tripping. Like, I can't get y'all boys nothing.
Alright.
0.5 for y'all boys. For y'all bad boys. Yeah, though, man. Appreciate all of y'all for subscribing to the channel. We just hit 42,000. 42,100 or something. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. Road to 50K. Then after that, road to 60. Then F70, F80, F90. Road to 100, shorty. That's how we go do it.
You finna go straight or turning?
Man, I don't know what I should do.
He still right behind?
He behind the other car. Now he behind us. What the got every cop on that. I ain't gonna own nothing, bro. Like every cop, bro. God, I had a windows rolled down so your tent don't look as dark as it is. You get what I'm saying? So they don't like try to hit you with that tent crap. I'm finna put this joint in the eco mode in a minute, bro. He tripping.
That make it more quiet.
Yeah. Every officer.
He really did a U-turn, folks.
Yeah, for his ass did a whole U-turn.
And he right behind us.
Oh yeah, nah, his ass definitely behind us.
So this is gonna be goofy. You turn right. You turn right.
This is the most goofiest POV I have ever done, shorty. I'm sorry to my supporters.
Should I record his ass in the back?
Yeah, record a little bit though, folks.
I can't see you, folks. Hold up. That box right there. He's stopping fully at
Try to record him now. That's it, boy. That's it, boy. He gonna say, is he sticking out a gun? Is he sticking a gun at me, boy? Nah. Alright. Probably didn't, bro, but you thirsty. We can't have these cars, bro. I'm finna get a Mitsubishi. Bro, now I'm finna get a BMW, man. You can't have these cars, bro. Downshift. Give it one, Davo. Give him one, at least one. Oh. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, so we just dropped off my cousin at the crib. I would go to the crib, but we just go bend a couple blocks. A couple, not a lot. But I'm gonna just bend this extra block for y'all boys, because I know this video wasn't nothing too crazy, because I was finna bend a couple corners and all that for y'all. But them coppers, bro, I don't know what is wrong with them out here, bro. Indiana, they be tripping. Bro, I need to go back where the fuck I came from. I can't see nothing. Whose scat is that? Nah, that's like a GT or something. Them GTs be coming like scats. Oh, bro. But, like I said, y'all, more videos to come. Just tune into the channel, man. This video just an introduction, man. Just tune in to the channel. Y'all go see crazy content on the channel. So, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Today, I'm finna go back where I came from, shorty. It's been your boy, Davo, and I'm out. Peace.